Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant ban 1067 connection error. This tutorial will be quick and simple, just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So now you want to go to your settings, and on settings you want to click Windows Update and check if you are up to date. If you are not, you want to go ahead and update everything, and if after that the problem still persists, you want to go to your NVIDIA app and open it up. After that, you want to go to drivers and see if you have, as you can see, the update is available for me, so I can go ahead and now download it and update my drivers on NVIDIA. And also you want to go to device manager, open it up, and here you will see display adapters. You want to click on this arrow and you will see your driver here. You want to go ahead and update it and search for the drivers here. Now, after you've done that, if the problem still persists, you want to go to services and find your VGC. So click on anywhere and click V. Once you will find VGC, you want to go to properties and you want to make sure that startup type is automatic and the service is running. If it's not running, just click start, apply, and OK. If it's still running, you want to go ahead and restart it, just for the sake, maybe it will help. Now after that, if the problem persists, you want to go ahead on search, write down CMD and run it as administrator. After that, you need to write down a few, so you're going to write down IP config space /flush DNS. Click enter, and after that you need to write down another command, which would be netsh winsock reset, just like so. After that you need to restart your PC. If after restarting your computer the problem is still there, you want to go to your network settings. So go to settings. Once you are here on network and internet, you want to click advanced network settings. And you want to find network reset and just go ahead and reset now. Your PC will restart and the network will be reset. If after that the problem still persists, you want to do the last thing is to go to advanced network settings back, then choose your internet you're using. So for example, for me it would be Wi-Fi. Click more adapter options, edit. And you're going to find Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4. Click on it 2 times. And you need to change the DNS server addresses. Now, after the network reset, if you are using Wi-Fi, you will need to enter the password again. If you are using Ethernet, you will not need anything. Just be aware of that. So you're going to write down here 8888 and 8844. Then you're going to click OK, and after that your problem should be fixed. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.